Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can flip objects horizontally and vertically in your Affinity Designer canvases. So let us get started. Head over to your design on Affinity Designer and place an object like a shape, for example. There are three ways how you can flip objects horizontally and vertically. Option number one, you right click into it, navigate to transform and select either flip horizontal or vertical. Right, so that's the first option. Option number two, you select your object by left clicking into it, click into this transform button at the top and choose again flip horizontally or vertically. And then there's option number three, guys. You left click into the given object. And then let's say, for instance, the object is the only one on your canvas. So in this case, you may also click into document in the top left and then flip your canvas horizontally or vertically like this. Since the object is the only one or single one here on your canvas, it will be flipped as well. And yeah, so that's basically the same effect. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.